After you have installed the Java development kit and set up the path variable, we are ready to write our first program. Some of you might think that it is too early, but I feel that learning theory all at once and implementing it later is not the right way to approach a programming language. So I'll introduce you with the topic and implement it simultaneously. To write a Java program, we need a text editor. We will start with the simplest text editor which comes pre-installed with Windows, that is Notepad. If you are working in Mac, Linux or some other operating system, you can download Notepad from the link below. Now just open Notepad. All of our code in Java will reside inside a class. Since Java is completely based on object-oriented programming technique. To create a class, we use the keyword class. Keywords are the words which are having a predefined meaning which is understood to the compiler, followed by the name of the class. You can give it the name whatever you want, followed by an opening and a closing curly brace. These curly braces specify a block. We will write all our code within these curly braces, within this class. Keep in mind that Java is case sensitive, which means small letters and capital letters are treated differently. So if you write class with a capital C, the compiler will give it as an error. The next line of a code will be public static void main opening round bracket followed by string with a capital S, angular brackets, args, closing round bracket, and then followed by opening and closing curly braces. Now what this public static void main means is beyond the scope of this video right now, but I will teach you later in the upcoming videos. At this point, you should learn how a Java program is executed. After you have written your code, the Java compiler converts it to a class file which contains the machine level instructions. Once a program is converted into a machine level language, then it can be run by the Java application launcher. The Java application launcher looks for the main method and it starts executing our program from this main method. So this public static void main is an important method which should be included in our program. In our first program, we want to print a message on the output screen. To do that, we type in system with a capital S dot out dot println, then starting and ending round brackets with double quotes within them, followed by a semicolon. A semicolon is used to terminate a statement. Whatever you write within these double quotes will be printed as it is on the output screen. So here this will be printed on output screen. I will tell you what system, out and println individually mean in the later videos, but that is not important right now. You just need to remember that this line will print a message which is written within these double quotes on the output screen. Now go to File and click on Save As. You need to save this file with the same name that you gave it to your class. So I will save it with the name myfirstprogram.java. .java is the extension of Java file. Now to compile this program, we need to open the command prompt. You can open it from the start menu. Then change this directory to the directory where your Java file is present. I saved it on the desktop, so I will change this directory to the desktop. CD to change directory. Then type in Java C followed by the name of your file and press enter. Now you can see that the compiler has created a class file with the same name as that of your class. You can open it to see the file, but you will not be able to understand what is written inside it, since this is a machine language that the computer understands. To run it, type in Java followed by the name of the class created by compiler and then press enter. Here you see the output I rule printed on the screen. Now let us recap what we did. We created a Java file named myfirstapp.java. I ask you to save your Java file with the same name of your class, because the Java compiler converts your code and stores it in a class file having the same name as that of your class. If we named our Java file with a different name, then let's see what happens. When I compile this file, the compiler creates a class file with the name myfirstprogram. And when I run it by typing Java ABC, I get an error. Could not find or load main class ABC, because compiler creates class file with the same name as that of the main class in which your entire code is present.